how to convert signature into JPG format. First, as you can see, I already have my signature here. If I check its details, it's currently in PNG format. Now, I'll convert it to JPG. To do this, go to your phone's home screen and open Google. In the search bar, type Looney Tools and search for it. Once the website appears, tap on it. Make sure you open the correct site. On the website, look for the Image Converter option and click on it. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Choose an Image. Select your signature image from your phone. Once selected, it will be uploaded. Make sure the format is set to JPG, then tap on Convert Image. Your image will now be converted to JPG. Finally, tap on Download, and your JPG image will be saved to your device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.